everyone, welcome to Draw with Bee. Today is a Christmas special. I'm so excited. I am going to show you how to draw the most easiest Santa hat there is. Let's get started. Get your art supplies ready. I've got my erasable pen here. We're going to start by doing a line across and then down all the way like this. Then we're going to bring it up and across. Next, what we're going to do is a line all the way across like this. Then from here, we're going to do the top of the hat. We're going to do it nice and round all the way down. Next, what I'm going to do is a little line connecting to the pom-pom. We're going to do a line up here and like this. Last, let's do the pom-pom. You can make it as big or as small as you like. You can even put a smiley face on it too if you like. That is all done. I'm going to colour in this bit. Please pause if you need more time and I'll see you back soon. I hope you all have enjoyed colouring in your Santa hat. I certainly have. Now it's magic touches. I've got a silver glitter pen. I'm going to add to the shadows of the Santa hat. I'm going to put it all the way down here because I think that looks amazing. Next, what I'm going to do is on the pom-pom. Santa always has to have glitter on his pom-pom. Then I'm going to do it on this side, just along the edges here. And I think that looks pretty special. Now with this Santa hat, you can cut it out and you can place it on any of your drawings that you have done to convert it into a special Christmas drawing. So use this on Christmas cards, anything that you've put together. I hope you've enjoyed it today and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.